Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and I'm bringing you another edition of my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Let's find out. Ready, set, go! 60 seconds is on the clock. So I got this darling little basket at Dollar Tree. I love the gingham and the floppy ears. And I have some of these various wildflowers from Dollar Tree as well. So I didn't even need the floral foam. I just bent them down and they stayed perfectly. I love those colors. And I'm also loving that I found the fern pieces. I've seen them in other videos, but I haven't found them, and I finally did. So I took some of the grass pieces and pulled it apart and just put it in some spots. So I got these darling stickers with little buttons on them with some cute sayings, and I hot glued them on a skewer. How easy is that? And then we're just putting them in our bouquet. There were 7 stickers and I only used 6. I've just put 2 on each skewer. And now I'm just putting them in our beautiful bouquet. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We made it! How cute! I actually have this sitting on my coffee table, and it is the talk of the town. And I love it. It's so easy. Those baskets are really cute. They're kind of burlappy, and I love that. And those floppy ears are so adorable. So I hope you loved this 60-second DIY. You can do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and even a comment. I would love to hear from you. I'll see you next time on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.